Do you know that sharing a story is so much better than stating facts? Today is day 4 of our storytelling mini series, and the aim of this mini series is to make you a better storyteller in the next 30 days. My name is Mercy, and I share tips and tricks on how you can become a better storyteller. So imagine that somebody walks up to you and tells you that he made $10,000 this month from doing a particular thing, or he shares a story by saying, I was so broke. I didn't know what to do. Everything that I tried to put my hands to do did not work. But then I stumbled upon this business idea and I implemented everything that I was taught, and I've been able to make $10,000 just this month. And I can teach you that same thing. Now, which one do you think is going to sit more with you? Him just stating that he made $10,000 this month, or him sharing a story of how he was so broke and he was able to make $10,000? Of course, the story will sit well with you. Now, one thing I want you to know is this: a fact can't just inform you. Yes, it's a fact. It will just inform you, but stories transform you. Stories make you think. Stories change your mindset by engaging your emotions and making the information to stick. So instead of just stating a fact, instead of just telling people, this is what I did, this is what I didn't do, add a story to it, craft a story from it, and you will see that people would be more attached and people would want to listen to you more. And that brings you to the end of today's mini series. Remember, we talked about why stories are better than just stating facts. So if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video for this mini series. Bye.